Have you seen our FKC 2.5 square millimeter connector? Have you seen our SPC5 connector for 6 square millimeters? Well, our SPC4 now fits in perfectly between them. A connector with a pitch of 6.35 millimeters, designed to be as compact and small as possible. We are introducing this at this trade fair. And the connector does not only come in this form, we have also fitted it with a range of locking systems. This one with top lock, you can see some of the different numbers of positions that are possible here. And the whole range comes with the matching headers in horizontal, vertical and GU versions, as a TRR soldering version packed in a belt for use in the reflow process. Have fun with them. Great products.